My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA 4th semester subject HR Analytics as prescribed by JNTUH and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 3 first important short question is Talent Management. Talent management means identifying, developing, and keeping the right people in the company. It focuses on finding skilled employees, helping them grow, and keeping them happy and motivated. In HR analytics, we use data to make smart decisions about talent like who to hire, promote, or train. Example: a company uses Excel to track employee performance, training scores, and promotion history. They find that employees who attend leadership training are more likely to become top performers. So, HR starts giving that training to more people with leadership potential. Easy to remember. Talent is equal to skill plus growth plus retention. HR analytics helps manage talent by giving clear insights using Excel dashboards, charts, and formulas. In short, talent management is about growing future leaders inside the company. With Excel and data, HR can plan better and help employees reach their full potential. Next important short question is 2. Compensation Management. Compensation management means deciding fair and attractive salaries, bonuses, and benefits for employees. It helps in keeping employees motivated and reducing attrition. In HR analytics, Excel is used to analyze salary data, compare with industry standards, and make smart pay decisions. Example: a company uses Excel to compare salaries of employees in the same role across departments. They find that some employees doing similar work are underpaid. HR then adjusts the salaries to make it fair and avoid dissatisfaction. Excel tools like pivot tables, charts, and formulas help HR track salary trends, bonus distribution, pay gaps, gender, role-based. Easy to remember. Compensation is equal to pay plus perks plus performance bonus. With HR analytics, Excel helps ensure it's fair, data-driven, and motivating. In short, compensation management using Excel helps HR make fair, transparent, and strategic pay decisions, keeping both employees and the company happy. Next important short question is 3. Expatriate Management. Expatriate management means managing employees who are sent to work in another country for a temporary period. These employees are called expats. HR needs to handle their salary, relocation, cultural training, and performance. With HR analytics and Excel, companies can track costs, success rate, and challenges of expat assignments. Example: a company sends 10 employees to its Dubai office. Using Excel, HR tracks their salary, housing cost, performance, and return on investment (ROI). They find that 3 expats performed very well, while 2 faced cultural issues. Based on this data, HR improves pre-departure training. Excel helps in comparing costs across locations, tracking assignment success, managing allowances and benefits. Easy to remember. Expat is equal to employee abroad plus planning plus tracking. HR uses Excel to plan better and reduce risk. In short, expatriate management with HR analytics ensures the right person is sent abroad with full support and cost control. Next Unit 3. Long questions. First important long question is HR analytics for recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection is the process of finding and hiring the right person for the right job. With the help of HR analytics and MS Excel, this process becomes smarter, faster, and more effective. Why use HR analytics in recruitment? Because it helps HR make decisions using real data, not guesswork. It improves the quality of hiring and reduces time and cost. How MS Excel helps in recruitment analytics. 1. Track applications. HR can use Excel to maintain a database of all applicants' names, qualifications, experience, etc. 2. Shortlisting candidates. Use filters and formulas to compare candidate scores, test results, or interview ratings. 3. Calculate time to hire. Excel can track how many days it takes to fill a position. 4. Analyze hiring sources. Find out which job portal, example, Naukri, LinkedIn, gives the best candidates. 5. Recruitment cost analysis. Track expenses like job ads, recruiter fees, etc. and find the cost per hire. Example. A company uses Excel to track 100 candidates. After analyzing the data, they find that candidates from LinkedIn perform better in interviews and stay longer in the company. So, the HR team decides to focus more on LinkedIn for future hiring. Easy to remember steps RATCH. R. Record candidate data. A. Analyze test scores interviews. T. Track time to hire. C. Compare cost per hire. H. Highlight best hiring sources. Benefits of using HR analytics in recruitment. Better hiring decisions. Less time and cost per hire. Improved quality of candidates. Easy to track and report using Excel charts and dashboards. In short, HR analytics for recruitment and selection turns hiring into a data-driven process. With Excel, HR teams can clearly see what's working and improve the recruitment strategy, leading to better talent and stronger teams. Next important long question is: 2. HR analytics for training and development. Training and development, T&D, is about helping employees improve their skills, knowledge, and performance. With HR analytics and MS Excel, HR can measure how effective training programs are and improve them using real data. Why use HR analytics in training? Because it helps HR answer important questions like: is the training helping employees perform better? Which training programs are most useful? Who needs more training? How MS Excel helps in training analytics. 1. Track training attendance. Use Excel to record who attended which training and for how many hours. 2. Analyze pre- and post-training scores. Compare test results before and after training to measure learning improvement. 3. Calculate training effectiveness. Use formulas to see if performance improved after training. 4. Identify skill gaps. Excel charts can highlight which departments or employees need specific training. 5. Measure ROI of training. Compare training costs with performance improvement to see if the investment was worth it. Example. A company gives Excel training to 50 employees. They track pre-training test scores, average 60%, and post-training scores, average 85%. After 3 months, productivity increases by 20%. This shows the training was effective. HR now plans to offer it to more departments. Easy to remember steps TSTR. T. Track attendance. E. Evaluate scores. S. Spot skill gaps. T. Track improvement. R. Return on investment ROI. Benefits of HR analytics in training. Identifies which training is effective. Focuses on areas that need improvement. Saves time and cost. Helps plan future training better. In short, HR analytics for training and development makes learning measurable and meaningful. With Excel, HR can plan smarter training programs that actually improve employee skills and help the company grow. Next important long question is 3. HR analytics for performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the process of evaluating how well employees are doing their job. With the help of HR analytics and MS Excel, this process becomes more accurate, fair, and data-based instead of just opinions. Why use HR analytics in performance appraisal? It helps HR and managers to measure employee performance using real data, identify top and low performers, make fair decisions for promotions, rewards, or training. How MS Excel helps in performance analytics. 1. Track KPI scores. Use Excel to record employee key performance indicators, KPIs, like sales, attendance, project completion, etc. 2. Compare scores. Easily compare performance across teams using charts and graphs. 3. Identify trends. See if performance is improving or declining over time. 4. 360 degrees feedback analysis. Collect feedback from managers, peers, and subordinates and analyze it in Excel. 5. Link performance to rewards. Use formulas to link performance ratings with bonuses or promotions. Example: an IT company tracks monthly performance scores of developers using Excel. They noticed that one team's average score dropped in the last 3 months. On analysis, they find too much workload. The manager adjusts work distribution and scores improve. This data-based action improved team morale and performance. Easy to remember steps, PACTR. P. Performance tracking. A. Analyze trends. C. Compare employees. T. Take decisions, promotions, rewards. R. Review and improve. Benefits of HR analytics in performance appraisal. Removes bias and favoritism. Helps reward the right people. Makes the process transparent. Supports growth and development plans. In short, HR analytics for performance appraisal turns guesswork into facts. With Excel, HR can fairly evaluate each employee, reward talent, and help others improve, building a high-performing team. Next important long question is 4. HR analytics for employee engagement. Employee engagement means how emotionally connected and committed employees feel towards their work and the company. Engaged employees are more productive, loyal, and motivated. With HR analytics and MS Excel, companies can measure engagement and take smart steps to improve it. Why use HR analytics for engagement? Because engagement affects everything: performance, retention, customer service, and company growth. HR analytics helps find out what makes employees happy or unhappy. How MS Excel helps in engagement analytics. 1. Collect survey data. Use Excel to record responses from employee engagement surveys. 2. Analyze scores. Use charts and averages to find the overall engagement level. Example: satisfaction out of 10. 3. Spot trends. Compare engagement scores over months or years to see if things are improving. 4. Identify problem areas. Check which departments or managers have low engagement scores. 5. Link engagement to results. Compare engagement scores with performance or turnover rates to see the impact. Example. A company runs a survey with questions like, "Are you happy at work?" or "Do you feel valued?" Excel shows that the marketing team scored the lowest. HR arranges one-on-one talks, improves team communication, and gives recognition. After 3 months, engagement scores rise by 30%. Easy to remember steps. SATIL. S. Survey employees. A. Analyze results. T. Track trends. I. Identify issues. L. Link engagement to performance. Benefits of using HR analytics for engagement. Understand employee needs. Improve motivation and job satisfaction. Reduce absenteeism and turnover. Build a positive work culture. In short, HR analytics for employee engagement helps create a happy workplace using real data. With Excel, HR can listen to employees, solve problems, and boost overall performance, because happy employees is equal to strong company.